If your case is sent to mediation, there are several steps that you're going to need to go through to prepare for mediation. The first thing you need to do to prepare for mediation is gather as much information as you can. Now, you will have already gone through a process called discovery, but a lot of that information is going to need to be updated, like your budget and your financial picture, and perhaps your income or your spouse's income. You need to make sure when you walk into mediation that everything you have is current. Probably the most important thing you can do to prepare for mediation is start thinking about what a good settlement looks like to you. Settlement is not a bad word. It means you get to control how this case ends for you. Once you get yourself in the mindset of thinking about your future and what you can live with and what you can possibly let go, mediation is going to be a really good place for you to be. Another thing you can do to prepare for mediation is make sure you have at least one good sit-down appointment with your lawyer where you're going to talk about best case and worst case scenario, what the judge will probably do, and what you can expect when you go to mediation. Because the less anticipation and the less worry you have, the calmer you're going to be and the better mental space you're going to be in to hopefully achieve your goal at mediation. Something you can do to help yourself prepare for mediation is ask your attorney about the mediator and the mediator's experience, and ask your attorney about their success rate at mediation and how often they see cases settle. Mediation is like a mini preparation for trial. So it's really an opportunity to prepare yourself and your attorney for issues that might pop up at trial that you might not have seen before. The best way to go into mediation is well rested and well nourished. The night before, you want to go to bed early. You want to make sure and eat a good breakfast. You might be there a very long time. Don't drink too much caffeine. Be prepared to have some snacks on hand in case you need some breaks and some fuel, because you want to have your best self and your wits about you. Another tip for going into mediation is to remember that you don't have to do anything. You have an opportunity to come to an agreement that may be more favorable to you than going to trial. And you have the chance to end what is a really painful process that day rather than going to trial. A lot of attorneys say that a good settlement is one where you walk away feeling like you probably got something you wouldn't have otherwise gotten, but also that you may have given up some things that you didn't necessarily want to give up. If both sides feel that way, then the outcome is probably fair. But no one at the mediation is going to make you do anything. If you have any questions about mediation or the mediation process, contact us at Empowered Family Law for your consultation.